Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to filter data with Slicer in Microsoft Excel. So how to filter data with Slicer in Microsoft Excel. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Here I have prepared the data in the table. There are name, address and gender. First, block all cells in the table that I have prepared. Go to the Home menu. Drag the cursor to the right. Tap Format as Table. And then there will be many table format options. For example, I choose this. In the section, don't forget to check so that the title in the table will follow the data later. Okay, before I continue, usually we search for data or sort data manually by searching by selecting one by one. This method takes a long time. So I will give you a quick way, with Data Filter with Slicer. The method is to tap and block all cells in the table. Tap on the Design table, select and tap on the Slicer table. Now here the Insert Slicer menu comes out. Here there are names, nations, and genders. For example, we will sort the data by selecting nation and gender. Check both. And then tap OK. Here will appear two menu options to sort the data with the Slicer. For example, we will choose by searching with keywords. Nation, Germany. And gender. Male. Well, here the data is immediately separated and the others will be lost. And then let's say I will choose nation, Spain. And gender. Female. Here the data will be automatically sorted according to what we choose. Here there is one data. And then let's say we will sort by keyword. Gender and nation that we want to search for here can be seen on the screen. When I click on the keyword that I want to sort or search for, automatically comes out the data that I sorted. Well, that was how to search with the keyword nation. 1. Suppose I want to search for keywords with two keywords at once. Here I will tap Two Nations to sort with two nation keywords. Here we can see the sorting results in the table using two nation keywords. Slicer in Excel is an interactive control that allows users to select values within a range by sliding a bar. This slider is often used in form controls to facilitate input of values within the desired range without having to type the numbers manually. So that's it. Tutorial how to filter data with Slicer in Microsoft Excel. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.